Welcome to Schweizerdeutsch Tutor, Schweizerdeutsch für Anfänger. In today's episode of our video course, we will talk about the colors, Farbe. With only a few exceptions, the colors are very similar to High German and English. Let's take a look at them. Rot, Blau, Grün or Grün, Orange, Gel, Rosa, Violett, Brun or Brun, Schwarz, Weiß, Grau. If we want to be more precise, we can use hell or dunkel in front of the color. Grün, hellgrün, dunkelgrün. We mostly encounter colors as adjectives. Color adjectives can appear in their basic form, der Pulli ist blau, or in a declined form as companions for nouns. Das ist ein blauer Pulli. The declination follows the normal German system according to gender and grammatical case. We will discuss how this works in Swiss German in a later video. You can find more info already in our beginner's ebook Zurich für Anfänger, or download our language learning app Schweizerdeutsch Tutor from the App Store or Google Play. As homework, try to write the names of the following colors. Write us your solution as a comment under this video for a chance to win 30 minutes of personalized tutoring on Schweizerdeutsch-tutor.com. The winners will be announced at the end of each month. If you watched the video this far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. This would be very helpful for our channel. Merci vielmals, macht's gut und bis zum nächsten Mal mit Schweizerdeutsch Tutor.